Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change password in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you use a Moonton account to log in to Mobile Legends Bang Bang, then you can easily update your password at any time. First of all, launch open Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your device and wait for the main lobby to load. Once you're inside the lobby screen, tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Once you end up in your profile section, tap on Account on the left-hand corner. Inside Account Settings, tap on Account Center on the right corner. On the next page, click on Change Moonton Password. Soon after you tap on Change Moonton Password on the next page, you'll get to change your password. Enter your password that you want to change to and confirm it in order to change your password on Mobile Legends Bang Bang. But remember that you must be connected or linked with Moonton account for Mobile Legends in order to change your password. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.